Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is Taisir Khan speaking and you're watching MTK Vlogs. I hope all of you are doing well. Today in this video we will be discussing an important financial concept called Guaranteed Investment Certificate GIC and its full process in Canada. We will also compare two prominent banks, Scotiabank and ICICI Bank, that offer GIC services additionally. We will cover the required documents for creating a GIC account, how to transfer money into GIC account, and the certificate received after sending money into the GIC account. Furthermore, we will be exploring the relevance of GIC in obtaining a student visa for studying in Canada. Before we begin, I kindly request you to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also share it with friends and family who are planning to study abroad. If you have any queries, please leave them in the comment section below or you can DM me on Instagram. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the video. So let's start by understanding what GIC stands for. GIC stands for Guaranteed Investment Certificate. It is a financial product offered by Canadian banks to assist international students from India who are moving to Canada for their studies. The purpose of GIC is to serve as proof that the student has sufficient funds to cover their living expenses during their education in Canada. As a student in Canada, finding part-time job immediately can be challenging, and also it may take 1 to 3 months or longer to secure employment. So to accommodate that additional expenses during this period, the student are required to deposit 10,000 Canadian dollars into their GIC account. This 10,000 Canadian dollars is divided into 12 equal part payments, ensuring a steady flow of funds for their needs. Now let's address whether a GIC account is compulsory to go to Canada. The answer is both no and yes. While having a GIC account is not compulsory for an individual going to Canada, okay, hello Chutti. It is a common requirement for international students applying for a study permit. The Canadian government, IRCC, basically requires proof of funds to ensure the international students have enough money to cover their living expenses in studying in Canada. So the GIC is one way to meet this requirement, as it demonstrates that the student has access to a special amount of money, namely 10,000 Canadian dollars, intended to cover their living expenses for the first year of study. So now let's compare Scotiabank and ICICI Bank in terms of their GIC services for obtaining a student visa in Canada. Scotiabank is one of the largest banks in India with a strong reputation and extensive experience in providing financial services to international students. They offer a user-friendly application process for the GIC program, providing detailed instructions and guidelines to make the process smoother for students. Additionally, Scotiabank has a wide network of branches in Canada and branches in every city of Canada, ensuring easy access for students and facilitating offline account activation. On the other hand, ICICI Bank has experiencing services for only Indian students who want to study in Canada. So their presence in India can be advantageous for students who already are banking with them, as they provide support and guidance for GIC application process in India, simplifying the overall procedure. However, it is important to know that ICICI Bank has a limited number of branches in Canada, mainly 3 to 4, which can make it challenging for students who may encounter issues with their GIC account or require offline activation. So when it comes to processing time, opening a Scotiabank account generally takes around 7 to 10 days. So this will be a problem for students who want their GIC account to be processed very fast, while ICICI Bank typically process GIC account opening within 3 to 4 working days. Considering these factors, my recommendation for a GIC account is Scotiabank because of their wide branch network, user-friendly application and extensive experience in serving international students make them reliable choice. Although it may take some time to complete the application process, the benefits are worth the wait. Now let's explore how to create a GIC account with Scotiabank. The procedure involves sending an email to Scotiabank stating you need a GIC account and attaching two documents. One is a copy of your passport, front and back, and an email for receiving updates. You will receive an automated update with a case number in 3 languages. I'll show a picture over here. It will come in English, Spanish and French. You click the second link in the email to register for Scotiabank's secure email services. On your first email you have to do this. So once you create a login ID and password, you will receive all your future emails in your Scotiabank email inbox, basically Scotiabank portal. To transfer funds into your GIC account, you can make the payment from any bank as long as the account holder is you. So basically the student who is going to abroad for studies, on his name already an Indian bank account should be there, or else it is important that the payment is made from your own account, not someone else's like your parents or relatives. If you do this, Scotiabank will reject the payment and you may need to do it again. So bank charges etc., again you have to incur the cost. So this is a very important point, and Scotiabank provides bank details for the transfer in the portal, and your bank will provide a form for you to fill out with information on where the money should go. Since it is a forex transfer, you will be asked additional details such as reason for the transfer, so you will just fill it's for studying and etc. So you fill in all the necessary information including your student ID and the case number that you got in the Scotiabank portal or email. The transfer usually takes 2 working days, after which you will receive an email in your Scotiabank confirming this successful transfer. The email will contain 3 attached PDFs: welcome letter, an investment directions confirmation letter, I think so it is, yes it is, and an investment companion booklet. Make sure you save this 3 PDFs in your offline or in your USB stick, as they will be required by IRCC. You have to submit it to IRCC when applying for this student visa. And also note that the email will be deleted after 180 days. So basically that is why also you have to save it. To summarize, the video covered the complete process of creating a GIC account with Scotiabank, and also I wanted to share this information to help you understand and navigate the process easily, eliminating the need for additional assistance. Basically you don't need any agent while you do this. It is very simple process. If you find this information helpful, please leave a like, subscribe our channel, share the video and comment below. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.